Hello dear students, today we will start new chapter 5th of class 10th math arithmetic progressions। सबसे पहले हमने समझना है arithmetic progressions क्या होता है। हमारे पास कुछ नंबर्स हैं, सीरीज हैं, like in first series we have numbers 1 2 3 4 5। firstly each of number in the list, अगर हमारे पास ऐसे लिस्ट में नंबर्स हैं तो ईच नंबर इन द लिस्ट इज कॉल्ड टर्म। लाइक वन नंबर इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड नंबर प्लेस एट सेकंड प्लेस, so it is second term. Third, 3 is also considered as third term. 4 number is considered as fourth term. 5 number is considered as fifth term. Now each of number in the list is called term. Like now in second series 2 is first term, 4 number is second term, 6 number which placed at third number, so it is third term, 8 number placed at fourth number, so it is fourth term in the list of numbers। अब सबको टर्म समझ आ गया। टर्म क्या होता है कि लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स में हर एक नंबर को हम टर्म कहते हैं। उसके बाद बेटे आपने देखो पहली सीरीज को ऑब्जर्व करो कि इसमें जो प्रोसीड नंबर ईच टर्म इज वन मोर देन फ्रॉम प्रोसीडिंग टर्म। जैसे टू नंबर है वो अपने पीछे वाले नंबर से एक ज़्यादा है। अगर वन में हम वन ऐड कर दें देन इट बिकम्स टू। सिमिलरली टू में अगर हम वन ऐड कर दें देन इट बिकम्स थ्री। इसी तरह अगर थ्री में हम वन ऐड कर दें देन इट बिकम्स फोर। इसी तरह फोर में हम वन ऐड कर दें तो ये फाइव हो गया। नाउ इन ईच टर्म is one more than from the preceding term. Now observe the second question. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In second series, each term is 2 more than from preceding term. Like 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Like in third, each number is 5 more than from the preceding term. Like 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. Then we can say that if in all lists we observe that all successive terms are obtained by adding fixed number. In first series fixed number is 1, second series fixed number is 2, in third series fixed number is 5. All successive terms are obtained by adding fixed number to the preceding terms. Such list of numbers is said to form a arithmetic progressions. And now we have another list of numbers. Now 7 is obtained by adding 4 to 3. Now similarly 9 is obtained by adding 2 to 7. 11 is obtained by plus 2 to 9. Similarly 15 number is obtained by if we adding 4 to 11. All will observe that all these numbers are not fixed numbers. These are vary. Firstly we will add 4, then we add 2, then we add 2, then again we add 4. Such list of numbers is not said to be arithmetic progressions. Now arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का मतलब बेटे कि अगर हम प्रोसीडिंग टर्म में एक फिक्स नंबर को ऐड करते जा रहे हैं और नेक्स्ट नंबर हमारे पास आता जा रहा है, एंड इट इज सेड टू बी अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस। नाउ जो फिक्स नंबर हम ऐड कर रहे हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं कॉमन डिफरेंस, विच इज डिनोटेड बाय डी। डी इज अ कॉमन डिफरेंस। कॉमन डिफरेंस पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, कॉमन डिफरेंस नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, कॉमन डिफरेंस जीरो भी हो सकता है। नाउ इन AP the first term is denoted by A1. A1. A1 means first term in the arithmetic progression series. Second term is denoted by A2. Similarly, third term is denoted by A3. Similarly, nth term is denoted by AN. Nth term is denoted by AN. Now we have terms A1, first term A2, second term A3, third term. Now AN is the last term. This series becomes AP, arithmetic progressions. This list of numbers is said to be a AP. Is said to be a AP. Whose common difference means difference of numbers, second number from first number, that is fixed number. If we add fixed number to the like A1 में हमने फिक्स नंबर हमने ले लिया D, विच इज ए फर्स्ट टर्म में हमने D को ऐड किया तो हमारे पास सेकंड टर्म आ गई है, दैट इज A2। सिमिलरली सेकंड नंबर में हमने एक फिक्स नंबर क्या लिया हमने D, अगर D को ऐड किया तो हमारे पास थर्ड टर्म आ गई। इसी तरह थर्ड टर्म में हमने D को ऐड किया तो हमारे पास फोर्थ टर्म आ गई। D is said to be a common difference, like D is written as A2 second term minus A1, in second A3 minus A2, in third A4 minus A3. Now common difference, these common difference is can be find with by taking the difference of two terms A2 minus A1, like A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Difference of successive term from the preceding term, which is denoted by D. Common difference can be negative number, common difference can be positive number, common difference can be 0. Now general form of AP, like A is first term, D is a common difference. Second term is obtained by adding D to first term. Here A is first term, we write the first term. Second term is obtained by D to the first term. A is first term, we add D, and this is the second term. Now third term can be written as, if we add D to the second term. Second term is A plus D. We add D again to obtain third term. Similarly, if fourth term is obtained by adding fixed number to the third number. Third term is A plus D, then we also add fixed number, that is D. Similarly, we can find many terms, like this is A plus D. Now it can be written as D plus D means A plus 2D, A plus 3D, like this. Now by observing from this is first term, this is second term, here D is 1, this is third term, D is multiplied by 2, it is third term but multiplied by 2, it is fourth term by multiplied by 3. Similarly, if we have to find nth term, means A plus, we can write this is fourth term, the 4 minus 1 3, this is third term 3 minus 1 2, this is second term 2 minus 1. So if we have to find nth term, we can write A plus n minus 1 into D. The third last term can be obtained by is a plus n minus into d. This last term of series, which is also said to be Tn, nth term of AP is found by a plus n minus 1 into